Hey everybody, it's Christmas Day, December 25th, 2021, and this is my cook of the ultimate garlic smoked prime rib. Hey everyone, this is Worcestershire in Oklahoma City. Man, I don't know how long I've been cooking prime ribs, maybe like 10 years, but I've always cooked them in the oven, and this is the first Christmas that I have a smoker, and so I have been, of course, watching videos, and especially the Meat Church video about smoked prime rib, but the Hey Grill Hey video that I will link in the show notes was my big inspiration. So, yeah, this is a cook that took 5 hours on the smoke, and yeah, I really wanted to probably take it off of the 225 degree heat when it was about 120 degrees. I actually let it get up to about 130, 135 is when you want to take it off. And then I did sort of a reverse sear where I boosted the temperature to 400 degrees. But anyway, let's go back in time. We'll take a look at the rub and kind of how I prepared a little bit, and then we'll do the time of truth, which is the fun part. All right, this is the Hey Grill Hey garlic smoked prime rib, 8-pound prime rib. Moose, what do you think, buddy? It's smelling good. So I actually put on some Worcestershire sauce as a binder, and 30 minutes ago or so, put on some Gourmet prime rib seasoning all over it, even on the bottom. Then I took basically 4 sticks of butter and chopped up some thyme. I couldn't have fresh rosemary, so I couldn't use fresh. So I put some rosemary from a jar, and then I probably put about 4 more teaspoons, or well, just spoonfuls of this seasoning on, and mixed it all up in my bowl there, and then slathered it on. So I'm gonna put this baby on the smoker. Notice we're thinking it's gonna be about 5 hours. So then we're gonna finish it in the oven at 400 degrees, but we're gonna cook now at 225. Here we go. Hey, it's Christmas Day, 2021, and look what I just put onto the smoker. Thank you, Hey Grill Hey. Checking in about 5 hours. All right, except for putting the potatoes on, I have not peeked for 5 hours. Ooh, looking good. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 120. Ooh, shoot, oh my gosh. We're already at 130. Okay, well, I need to pull this guy off. And we're gonna finish it off at a higher temperature. All right, the prime rib's been on the smoke for 5 hours at 225. It's been on 400 here for the last sear. We're looking for 135. Looks to me like 136. 134. Looking just about perfect. 35. That is perfect. Perfectly cooked prime rib. It's the time of truth. We've been cooking for 6.5 hours. Here it is. It's rested for an hour. This may be my best moment yet. It looks fantastic. So the plan here is to go ahead and cut this off of the bones, and then we're going to go ahead and cut this into slices. So got a new little boning knife here. Just gonna try to get in here. Ooh, look at that. Cut this off. We're hoping for medium rare. Man, 1 year, I don't know. This was before I really knew what I was doing with temperature. Prime rib was not done. I think these bones are going to be pretty special. Wow. Look at this. We actually have 3 of these bones. Man, should I try one of these before I even cut the rest of it up? Guys, does anybody else want one of these bones? Wow. That's amazing. Wow. I'm gonna put that on my plate. And now, let's go ahead and do the slices. So, we're gonna go ahead and go for about 3/4 inch slices. The end piece will be the most flavorful. Man, this looks great. It looks like it is pretty much medium rare. I don't know. It's not bloody, so that's 1 year. Oh, this is just huge, too. This is the largest prime rib that I've ever done either. So this was an 8-pound bone in, and yeah, this was more than we actually needed. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to defend the kitchen, obviously, from the dogs after we go in to eat. All right, so there you have it. And sure, I've got that. Oh, that's gonna be hard to beat. Do we need anything else on the plate? All right. Bon appetit.